Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a power steering pump. First, gather your tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a fluid drain pan. Safely lift and support your vehicle using jack stands. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any work to prevent electrical issues. This ensures a safe and smooth replacement process for your power steering system. Now, let's remove the old pump. Begin by draining the power steering fluid from the reservoir into your drain pan. Next, carefully disconnect both the high pressure and return lines from the pump, being mindful of any residual fluid. Finally, loosen and remove the drive belt, then unbolt the pump from its mounting brackets. This prepares the way for your new component. With the old pump out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new power steering pump onto its mounting brackets and secure it with the bolts. Reconnect the high pressure and return lines, ensuring they are tight to prevent leaks. Then, reinstall the drive belt, making sure it has the correct tension for optimal performance. This step brings us closer to a fully functional system. For the final steps, fill the power steering reservoir with the appropriate new fluid. Next, bleed any air from the system by slowly turning the steering wheel from lock to lock several times with the engine off, then with it running. After starting the engine, carefully check for any leaks around the connections and confirm the steering operates smoothly. Your power steering system should now be fully restored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.